Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Everyone is good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts from the last class? Shikani, Ishan, Ronaldo, any doubts?
Sir, I have one doubt.
You have one doubt. All right. Let's begin with the doubt.
Sir, cosec inverse minus 2 by root 3.
All right. Anyone can help me how to solve this? Ronaldo, can you tell me how to solve this? Saeed, how to solve this?
Yes, sir. It is
How?
minus of cosec inverse into cosec pi by 3.
5 by 3. All right. So, Krishna, did you get what she did here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. So first, she like this is converted cosec pi by 3, and then minus, cosec minus x is minus of cosec this. So now very easy.
Sir, it is minus pi by 3.
Absolutely right. Very good. All right, Krishna, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, this is clear. Ronaldo, Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. I gave you 4-5 questions for homework. All the homework questions are done.
Sir, can you do this one? Sec inverse of minus 2.
All right. So this is the same question, right? Sec inverse. What? When do we get minus 2? First, you can take negative this also, minus this. All right. When do we get
Pi by 3.
pi by 3? Right. So now very easy. Right, Syed? Is it clear
Yes.
now? So this
Yes.
is 2 pi by 3. I hope everyone is clear about this. All right. Let's solve another question. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. All right. Here minus pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 4. All right. So your focus should be to convert this quantity into tan of something, right? Tan inverse tan of something is that angle itself. So the whole goal should be to convert this into tan. All right. So
Yes,
think
sir.
about it for a few minutes and tell me if you have any ideas. Kulsum, everything good?
Yes, sir.
You have been missing from the last 2-3 classes, I guess.
Yes. Exams.
Exams. All right. So are you understanding what we are doing here?
Yes, we finished this chapter in class.
All right. And you can get the lectures also, lecture videos.
Yes,
to
sir.
get
I
the
have
idea.
to see the
Okay.
recordings.
All right. So Kulsum, please try to solve this if you know how to. All right.
Cos x minus sin x, we can write it as cos x minus sin x by cos x, and we can divide both of them by cos x.
Absolutely right.
So it
So
will
this
give
is the
1 minus tan x and 1
absolutely
plus
right.
tan x.
Right. So Krishna, did you get what she said?
Yes, sir.
Right. Why we need to do this? We all know that tan a plus b. What is the formula for this?
So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Right. So if I put this as pi by 4 and x. So tan pi by 4. So 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, right? So this we have to convert. So what we can do, dividing by cos x on numerator and denominator. What we will get? Tan inverse cos x minus sin x whole divided by cos x upon cos x plus sin x whole divided by cos x. All right. So now we can divide individually each term. So this will be 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. And this we just saw, this is 10 pi by 4 minus x, sorry. X minus pi by 4 we can write tan inverse x minus pi by 4. Right? Everyone is clear about this because we have negative sign on the numerator. So tan a minus b formula we have to use. So tan x minus 4. So we can get x minus pi by 4. Is it clear everyone or not? What we did here? Ronaldo, Ishan, Said, Shekani.
Sir, can you explain the second step?
Second step. You mean this dividing cos x?
No, sir, below that.
All right, below this. So this cos x, Krishna, we can divide by cos x upon cos x and sin x upon cos x, right?
Yes, sir.
So cos x upon cos x is 1 minus sin x upon cos x is tan x. And same thing in the denominator. Cos x upon cos x is 1 plus sin x upon cos x is tan x.
No, sir.
All right.
The below, sir. Below than that. Like how
Below
did you
this.
get?
All right. See, this one we can write 10 minus 1, and this is, we can write this is tan pi by 4, right? 10 pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. I can write this or not?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now this is tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b. And again, I did this a little mistake here. We have to multiply a negative sign here, right? This is 10 pi by 4 minus x. All right. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So again, we can use the formula, Krishna, pi by 4 minus x, right? Tan a minus b.
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So pi by 4 minus x is the answer. All right. Anyone else has any doubt on this? Shekani? Shekani is not present, I guess.
Sir, I'm there.
All right. Understood this question? All right. Please note it down, everyone. So what the main thing to learn is, if you have cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, or plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator, you can convert this into 10 pi by 4 plus x or 10 pi by 4 minus x. This you have to learn. All right, this can be converted into tan a plus b form. This is very important to know. Please note it down. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
All right. So one more type of questions you will face, that is questions based on substitution. All right. First one is, if you see a square plus x square. All right, this is the term and substitution. So what you have to substitute, put x equals to a tan theta or a cot theta. All right. Why so? Because if you put x equals to a tan theta here, you will get a square plus a square tan square theta. You can take a square common, so 1 plus tan square theta. And 1 plus tan square theta is, what is 1 plus tan square theta?
The tan 2 theta.
Tan 2 theta. Are you sure?
No, sir.
What is 1 plus tan square theta? Class 10th trigonometry, 3 basic identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Do you remember 2 more identities based on this?
Sir, sin 2 theta.
Not sin 2 theta. We have this formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta, right?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
guys remember this or not? Everyone, these are basic fundamental identities of trigonometry. If you don't remember this, then God save us, right? In the later chapters. So please note it down, this formula, sec square theta is minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So we can convert this a square sec square theta. So this makes the question very easy. So if you see anywhere a square plus x square, you can put x equals to a tan theta or a cot theta. Same thing with cot theta. All right. Second one, if you see a square minus x square, so you can put x equals to a sin theta or a cos theta. Same concept. If you put a square minus a square sin square theta, take a square common, then 1 minus sin square theta will be cos square theta, right? A square minus a square sin square theta, take a square common, 1 minus sin square theta, and this is cos square theta. So this also makes the question easy to solve. Note it down, then we'll move on. Is this clear, everyone? Ishan?
Yes, sir.
I can see the like low energy whenever I teach trigonometry, right? Everyone is like so confused. Is it the case with you also, Shekhani? Yes or no? Nobody wants to speak also. Like just end this chapter, sir. Note it down. All right. One more on this. If you see x square minus a square, then what you have to substitute? X equals to a sec theta or a cosec theta. Same concept, same identity. All right. These are the substitution you need to know. Very necessary. Krishna, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tell me when you have noted this down.
Done, sir.
All right. Two more substitution we need to know. If you have under root a minus x upon a plus x or under root a plus x upon a minus x, then you can put x equals to a cos 2 theta. If you have under root a square minus x square upon a square plus x square or a square plus x square upon a square minus x square, then you can put x square equals to a square cos 2 theta. Why so? I told you in the last class also, if you put x equals to a cos 2 theta, then a minus cos theta upon a plus cos theta under root. Suppose you put x equals to a cos 2 theta, then this becomes a minus a cos 2 theta upon a plus a cos 2 theta under root. Taking a common, a will be cancelled out. So 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. use half angle formula, right? 1 minus cos 2 theta is, who can tell me half angle formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta,
So 2 sin square theta.
right? 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta,
So 2 cos square theta.
absolutely right. So this under root 2 and 2 is cancelled. Sin square theta upon cos square theta is tan square theta. Under root is tan theta. So whole of this equation is converted into tan theta, and the question becomes very easy to solve. All right. So these two is also very important substitutions. Note it down. Everyone is clear about this? Kulsum, Saeed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Shekhani, Ishan, Ronaldo.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right.
Done, sir.
All right. Let's solve few questions on this. Simplify. All right. First question would be to simplify tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. All right. Note down the question. The first question I'm going to solve. After that, you have to solve. So can anyone tell me what substitution to use here?
A square minus x square.
Right. So what should I put the value of x as?
A sin theta.
A sin theta. So putting x equals to a sin theta, we have tan inverse a sin theta upon under root a square minus a square sin square theta brackets. So this is equals to tan inverse a sin theta upon a square 1 minus sin square theta, right? Under root brackets, and this we can write tan inverse a sin theta upon 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, a square cos square theta under root is a cos theta. This step is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So a and a is cancelled. tan inverse tan theta, and we all know this is theta. And what is the value of theta here? We can find theta from here. So x is equals to a sine theta. So sine theta is equals to x upon a. So theta is equals to sine inverse x upon a. So you can easily find this sine inverse x upon a. This is the answer. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, Shikani.
Yes, sir.
All right, please note it down, everyone. Very easy, right? Not so much complications here.
Done, sir.
All right. Solve another question. Tan inverse in the root a minus x upon a plus x. Right, and you guys have to solve this. Think about the substitution. I've given you the substitutions. Just put the value, use some trigonometry, and you'll get the answer. All right. Tell me when you are done.
Done, sir.
All right. Everyone solve this? Kulsum, Said, have you solved this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ishan, Ronaldo,
Sir, right.
sorry, Ishan, your voice was not audible.
So I'm trying.
I'm trying. All right. Ronaldo,
Sir, just a minute, almost done.
all right. What substitution shall we do here?
Sir, x is equal to a cos 2 theta.
X equals to a cos 2 theta. Right? So now we have tan inverse a minus a cos 2 theta upon a plus a cos 2 theta under root. And this is equals to tan inverse. Taking a common, we have a times 1 minus cos 2 theta on a times 1 plus cos 2 theta under root. A and a are cancelled. Tan inverse. Ishan, what should we put here? 1 minus cos 2 theta. What we can place instead of 1 minus cos 2 theta? Ronaldo,
Sir, 2 sin square theta.
2 sin square theta. Absolute right. Ishan, remember this half angle formula, very important. Right? Everywhere you go, you will have to face this half angle formula. Right? So 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is
2 cos square theta.
2 cos square theta. So this is cancelled. This is tan square theta under root tan theta. So tan inverse tan theta is theta. And theta again you can find from this. We have cos 2 theta as x upon a. So 2 theta is equals to cos inverse x upon a. So theta equals to half cos inverse x upon a. So this is equals to half cos inverse x upon a. All right, please note it down. The question is clear to everyone. Shikani, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
All right, next question is sine inverse x upon a square plus x square. All right, this you have to solve. Write this for your homework. All right, this is your homework question. Write it down. All right, if you have written down this question, write down this question. Second one, and we'll see if we can solve this. 0 is Can anyone tell me what we can do here? Any ideas?
No, sir.
No. All right. Nobody? We don't have any warrior between us? Ronaldo?
No, sir. I think you should solve.
All right. It's very lengthy, right? This type of question,
Yes.
the moment we see, sir, we almost faint, right? Tegani? Not a marathon runner, we are.
Sir, root 1 plus cos x is sin x, right?
Is it sin x? 1 root 1 plus cos x is sin x. Can I write this?
Oh, no, sir, no, sir.
Sir, we can use that identity, I guess.
By 2.
All right, 1 by 1.
2
Who
cos
is going to-
square x by 2.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Shikhani, we cannot use that identity, right? 1 is equal to cos square x plus sin square x. Always remember this. If you see any, in Hindi, this ajibo garib type question, under root 1 plus cos x, under root 1 minus cos x, something like that. Whenever you see 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, sin x upon this, any permutation combinations, you have to use the half angle formula. All right, I've told you this from the starting, from the first class. Half angle formula is the, like, what do we say, nectar, right? It brings
Sir,
the
what is
bad
half?
back.
What is half angle formula?
What is half angle formula, Shekhani? Right? In the last class also, I told you about that, right, Shekhani?
Sir, I don't remember.
You don't remember. All right. Cos 2 theta equals to, who can tell me? Nobody can tell me what is cos 2 theta? Half angle formula.
2 sin square theta plus 1. So the base.
Not 2 sin square theta by minus 1, right? This is 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. All right. So if you bring this 1 to this side, 1 plus cos 2 theta, we can write 2 cos square theta. And Shikhani, we used the half angle formula in the previous 2 questions also. So 1 plus cos x we can write 2 cos square x by 2. All right. This is clear to everyone. Shikani, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you see 1 plus cos x, write 2 cos square x by 2. That is why this is called half angle formula. Cos x, x by 2. We half the angle, right? Cos 1 pastry, cos half pastry. Cos 1 shikani, cos half shikani. This is called half angle formula. Whatever the angle be, just half it. And
So that's
everything
cos
remains
square, right?
same. Right. 2 cos square x by 2. All right. And if you have 1 minus cos x, then it is 2 sine square x by 2. Everything remains same, but cos changes to sine when if this is minus. All right. If you see 1 plus cos 4x, then this will be 2 cos square 2x, because half of 4x is 2x. All right, Shekani.
Yes, sir.
Now you will remember half angle formula.
Yes, sir.
All right, I hope so. So this again is 2 cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin square x by 2. All right. Now what we can do here, take under root 2 common, right? Under root 2, under 2, under root 2, under root 2. So under root 2 will be vanished from this world. So this is tan inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And have we seen this type of equations anywhere? Cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Yes or no, everyone? Krishna, Ronaldo, Said. Said,
Divide
have
by
you seen?
cos x by 2.
Absolutely right, Kulsum. You, in fact, Kulsum answered this the first time also, right? Said, we just solved this type of question, right? But instead of x by 2, we had x, cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x. Krishna, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ronaldo?
Yes, sir.
So please try to solve this, all right, by yourself. If you still can, then ask. Don't hesitate. Hesitation kills progress. Like a great teacher once said that. Shikani, this is clear or not? Shikani fainted, I guess, right?
Yes, sir.
No? All right. See, trigonometry is not very difficult. Why you feel it is difficult is you have assumed this is difficult, right? We don't have a lot of time, otherwise I would have told you a great story about what fear does to people. When we complete the syllabus, I'll tell you. But the same thing is here. If you assume that this is scary, you will feel fear automatically. Your body will respond to that like that. So don't assume anything, just see what the question is, then solve, you will get the answer. So what we will do here, just divide by cos x by 2. So this will be 1 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan x by 2. And this is tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x, right? Tan a plus b by 2. So tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 is pi by 4 plus x by 2, and this is RHS, hence proved. All right, this is
Yes.
clear, everyone? All right, so don't forget this. I told you again and again, if you have cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta, or the reverse of this, cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta, you can convert this to tan. All right, that is why think like this. They have given you this question, they have asked to prove, that means it must be proven, right? There is always a way to prove. I hope this is clear to everyone. Kulsum, Said,
Yes, sir.
all right, note it down. Done, everyone?
Done, sir.
All right, next question. Tan inverse 1 plus x under root minus 1 minus x upon 1 x plus under root 1 minus x. Right, try to find this value, what you get.
Substitution.
Substitution, absolutely right. What
X
do
is
we have to
equals to cos
substitute?
theta.
Cos, is it cos theta is better or cos 2 theta is better? It's the same thing, but which one is easier to calculate? See, in the substitute, if you look at the substitution I gave you, if we have under root a plus x, then you have to substitute x is equals to a cos 2 theta, right? Why 2 theta? Easier to get. You can put a cos theta also, no issues, absolutely. All right, but cos 2 theta, we get good values, right? Sin square theta, cos square theta. So that way you can solve. Put this as the substitution and try to solve. I'll give you a few minutes. Everyone here, what about the substitution?
Yes, sir.
All right, what is the value of a here?
1.
1, right? So you just have to put x is equals to cos 2 theta.
Done, sir.
All right, everyone solve this? Ishan,
Sir, 1 minute.
1 minute. All right, Ronaldo, Krishna,
No, sir.
no. All right, Said,
So 1 minute.
solve it. Let's see. So this is tan inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta under root minus 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 1 minus cos 2 theta. So Shikhani, what we can do here? What can I put instead of under root 1 plus cos 2 theta?
So we can do that half angle.
Right. So what should I write here?
Should write 2 cos
2 cos.
square
Okay.
theta by 2.
Theta. You don't have to write theta by 2. Here we have 2 theta. Half of 2 theta is
Theta.
theta. So this is all you have to do. Minus, and what should I write here?
2 sine square theta.
Absolutely right. So again, this is 2 cos square theta plus 2 sine square theta. And this is the same question as the previous question. So under root 2 is cancelled. So what we have is theta minus sine theta upon cos theta plus sine theta. And Shekhani, what can we do here?
Sir, I don't know.
I don't know. I just told you in the previous question also. Whenever you see cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta plus sine theta or reverse of that, just divide by cos theta, right, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
Sir, divide what by cos theta?
The whole equation, right? The numerator and the denominator.
Okay.
So this becomes cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta whole divided by cos theta upon cos theta plus sine theta upon cos theta, and this is bracket. So this is tan inverse 1 minus tan theta on 1 plus tan theta, and this is again tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. So this is pi by 4, sorry, theta, pi by 4 minus theta. Now we have to find the value of theta. We have assumed cos 2 theta is x. So 2 theta is cos inverse x. Theta is half of cos inverse x. So the final answer is pi by 4 minus 1/2 cos inverse x. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, Ishan.
Sir, how did cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta become 1 minus sin 1 minus sin?
See, I divided this whole equation by cos theta. This step is clear, Shikani.
Yes.
So cos theta upon cos theta is 1. Sin theta upon cos theta is
Oh,
tan
okay,
theta,
okay. Yes.
right? Is it clear now, Shikani? All right. Note it down, everyone. Ronaldo, this is
Sir,
clear.
can you do a little bit up?
All right. Tell me when you have noted down this question.
Done, sir.
All right, everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All next question. Prove that tan inverse 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x is equals to half of tan inverse x. Right, this question is for you also. What is the substitution here? What is the substitution here?
Sir,
It's
tan theta.
it's
Right. So use that. Try to solve this. I'll give you a few minutes.
Done, sir.
All right. Everyone has solved this? Ishan, Krishna, Ronaldo, Shikani.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. Here we can put x equals to tan theta, right? Because the value of a is 1. So we have tan inverse 1 plus tan square theta under root minus 1 on tan theta. And this is equals to tan inverse. This is sec square theta under root is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now what to do here? Krishna, what can we do here?
Sir, I don't know.
Oh, all right.
Sec theta can be 1 by cos theta and tan theta can be sin theta by cos theta.
Absolutely right. So the way to move on is tan inverse. Let's write sec theta as 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. All right. Now this is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta whole divided by sin theta upon cos theta. So this is cancelled. What we have finally is tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. So again, what we can do here? This question we have already solved in the class.
2 sin theta, 2 sin square theta by 2.
Absolutely right. How is it that the only student who didn't attend the classes knows the answer, but all of you who did don't know the answer? Krishna,
Exams, sir.
Ronaldo, exams, right? So you guys only study for the exams? Is it so, Krishna?
The thing is, our teacher in class, she asks us questions to everyone. So whenever she does it on the board, she asks any one of us to stand up and say. That's it. You have to be on our toes.
All right, all right. So I have to do that here also. See, this is the only issue in online classes, right? There is like we cannot see how much focus the students is, right? That is the only issue here. All right, but no issues. Ronaldo, is it clear what to do here next? Ronaldo, Krishna, Said.
Can you explain again how to do next?
All right. See, whenever you see 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, and sin theta, half angle formula is the only way to go. So tan inverse, what is 1 minus cos theta? Shikani, what is 1 minus cos
2
theta?
sin square theta by 2.
2 sin square theta by 2. And what is the half angle for sin theta? We can write this as 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, right?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. Sin theta by 2, 1 sin theta by 2 is cancelled. So this becomes tan inverse sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, which is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2. So the final answer is theta by 2. We have assumed that x is equal to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. So theta by 2 is half of tan inverse x. Is it clear or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now let's Shikani.
Yes, sir.
All right. See, I believe you guys are trying to learn mathematics by knowing all the questions. That is not how these things works. Know all the patterns. When you focus to learn the patterns, what do I mean by patterns that I need to explain? See, these things, 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta, or 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. These are the two things in 90% of the questions we solved in this class, right? Or in this whole chapter. If you just understand these two patterns, whenever you see these two patterns, how to solve, you can solve 90 or 95% of the questions. But what you are focusing on is, this is trigonometry. In fact, this is inverse trigonometry. There are so many properties, how we can solve. You don't have to think about all of that. Just understand the patterns. Because they have given you tan inverse, then there must be a way to simplify the quantities in the brackets as tan of something. That should be your goal. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? If you remember few questions, you cannot solve if I give you a different question. But you understand the patterns, then everything is easy. All right, science is clear. Okay, so Syed has painted now instead of Shekani. All right, note it down.
Done, sir.
All right. So any doubts in today's class? The class is not ending. You have the test now. But before that, any doubts from today's class? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. All right. Give me 2 minutes. I'll share the test paper with you. All right. Just give me 2 minutes. You can prepare your mic and video, everything, camera. All right. till then. All right, I believe you can see the test paper now. You have 30 minutes for this. I would request everyone to start the video and the audio also. All right, second question and third question, you have to solve only one. This is alternate or part. Same for 4 or 5. You have to only solve one of them, 4 or 5. One is compulsory. All right, everyone is clear about this?
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir.
First question is compulsory. Second and third, you have to only solve one of them. Same for 4 and 5. You have to solve only one of them.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Sir, I still don't have a webcam.
All right.
I'll buy it.
It's okay. And you have to send the paper by making this a PDF. All right. Make a PDF of your answer sheet. Use Cam Scanner or any other app you want, and create a PDF. Then send. All right. If you send pictures, then very difficult to see and check the answer sheet. All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So you have to do 2 or 3 and 4 or 5, right?
Right.
So only 3 questions.
Right.
Okay.
So nobody's camera is working. Ishan, Ronaldo, Shikhani, Krishna. Shikhani, what about you?
Sir, should I send it on the number?
Yes, Shikani. Please make a PDF and then send. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, and please write your name also on the PDF. All right. So time is almost over. 2 minutes left. So I would suggest everyone to start making the PDF. All right. Time